Hello again, toy car collectors. So I thought it'd be fun to do another crazy variation video. And today I'm going to be focusing in on the 40 Ford pickup here. Little customized like drag racing truck. And this is where it started. This would be the first edition in blue. I do believe there's supposed to be a light blue and a dark blue version. So I'm not sure what they would consider this one. But pretty awesome. I like this one quite a bit, so. So there's number one. Now I'm not going to do them in any particular order. I'm just simply going to save the best for last. So number two here, we got a yellow one with the Ford logo. All sponsorships there. So very cool. It's number two. Number three. Elwoods. Pretty cool. I like the way they did the flames on the bottom of the fenders there. Very nice. Number four. Upside down. Not bad. Got those funky saw blade wheels on there. I do like the color on that. So pretty cool. Pretty nice. Not too bad. All right, now this is probably the reason I'm doing this video. I actually just got that one, or this one, this week at my local hobby shop for $2. And this is like maybe the third release they did of this back in '99, I believe. So yellow. I like the paint job. Not a big fan of those 5-hole wheels or 5-dot wheels, whatever you want to call them. Still pretty cool. Weird one with weird graphics. My least favorite out of the whole group. An olive drab. Sort of military aircraft graphics on that one. I'm not sure if that was a main line or if that was like a military rod. I'd have to look that one up. Anyway, it's pretty cool. It's another silver one. Tip top. It's quite nice. It's another Elwoods. This time in gold. This one's quite nice. Not sure what set this was from. So pretty cool. Pizza truck. Just a color variation on this gray one here. Same graphics, just different colors. Another tip top, this time in blue. So again, just another variation on the same vehicle. And I saved the best 5 for last. Starting with the Harley Davidson one, which was in a 5-pack. Looks pretty cool. Which I think it's Mazda does a bunch of sort of premium Harley Davidson type cars and stuff nowadays. But there are a few Hot Wheels Harley Davidson, sponsored vehicles back in the day, like 20 years ago. So that's pretty tight. I like them when they're two-tone like this. The two-tone, that looks really good. That may be why I like this one so much. Oh, it looks great. Got the red wine tire. Pretty cool. Now the next 3 are the best 3. And we're going to throw out, I'm not sure if this is my second favorite or my third favorite. And that is the 2002 Treasure Hunt version. I do love the way they did the flames down here around the wheels. Very cool. Two-toned again. Treasure Hunt graphics. So very nice. And this one here was from the Street Show series. the rims are absolutely beautiful on this thing. Very cool. And they even did a little bit of detailing. I'm running out of space here. A little bit of detailing on the back lights. So that's an awesome version. But the absolute very best one I did save for last. See if I could squeeze that in here. Which was a limited edition one with the Southern California Timing Association graphics on the side. And the Southern California Timing Association has something to do with like land speed racing or salt flat racing. So it is a real thing. And this one actually has Ford imprinted on there. Rubber tires. Two-toned. That's an awesome, awesome truck. So there you have it, folks. I just get a little bit of an overview here. '20 44 trucks. Almost all of them really, really nice. Thanks for watching, everybody.